Here's a recipe for a delicious tropical twist smoothie using pineapple, mango, banana, and coconut water. Ingredients: 1 cup diced pineapple, 1 cup diced mango, 1 ripe banana, 1 cup coconut water, 1 cup ice. Instructions: start by preparing the fruits. Peel and dice the pineapple and mango into small pieces. Peel the banana and break it into smaller pieces. In a blender, combine the diced pineapple, mango, banana, and ice. Pour in the coconut water. Blend the ingredients together until the mixture is smooth and creamy. If the smoothie is too thick, add a little more coconut water and blend again. Taste the smoothie and adjust the sweetness as desired. If the smoothie is not sweet enough, you can add a teaspoon of honey or sugar. Pour the smoothie into glasses and enjoy. Optional, you can also add some shredded coconut or chia seeds on top of the smoothie for some extra texture and nutrition. That's it. Enjoy your delicious and healthy tropical twist smoothie.